Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2. So today we are up bright and early. We already had our keto coffee with whipping cream and coconut oil, and we're off on a hike. So we're heading up the arroyo, and if you don't know what an arroyo is, which I did not, it's an intermittent river. So when it rains, all the water pours down the mountain, and you have a full-on river that you definitely do not want to be in. And then on times like this, when it's nice and dry, you have a flat sandy bed that you can walk down. So let's go check it out. Okay, we are back. That was an awesome hike. It was really cool, actually, just to see all those stones stuck right into the riverbed, and they all look so precarious. And yeah, just really cool scenery. It's absolutely gorgeous around here. So I think now it's time for a second coffee. Okay, another beautiful and windy day here in Los Barriles, but that's okay. We got to enjoy the kite surfers again. And for supper, we're going to be making butter chicken. Well, at least my version of butter chicken. And a couple hours ago, I vacuum sealed 2 chicken breasts, and I put them into my Anova sous vide cooker. It's essentially just an immersion heater element that goes into a water bath. But whatever way you want to cook your chicken is fine, or if you have leftover chicken, it works really well for this recipe. And while this is still cooking, I'm also going to make up some cauliflower rice. Now, I don't have a food processor along, so I'm just going to take this head of cauliflower and grate it. Here's the end result of our cauliflower rice, and we'll just set that aside for later and start working on our sauce. Okay, we'll start by heating up a couple tablespoons of butter again, and chop up a few tablespoons of onion. Okay, so we'll just saute these guys for a few minutes. And yeah, this is quite a bit of onion. Onion's a little bit higher in carbs, but I like it quite a bit. I've been buying quite a bit of red onion here in Mexico because it's pretty readily available. And then from there, we're going to add 1 clove of garlic. This is a huge clove, so 1 will do. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of curry powder. And just mix those spices in with the oil, get them all heat activated. And after that, I'm going to add about half cup of heavy whipping cream. And 1 can of tomato paste. Okay, now for sour cream. And I would say probably about 3/4 of a cup is what I add. Just kind of add it and see if I need more. All right, we're gonna add some salt. I actually like to add a little bit of sweetener to mine, so I'll put in maybe a teaspoon of monk fruit just to balance off the acidity of the tomatoes. All right, here's what our sous vide chicken looks like when it comes out. It doesn't look super appetizing like that, but it's not gonna matter once we throw it in the sauce. All right, mix this all up and start working on our cauliflower rice. Okay, 1 pan of cauliflower rice, and we're gonna add probably about, let's say, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to it. So I just saute this probably for about 5 minutes or so till it's cooked. And a little bit of sea salt in there as well. There we have it, folks. Quick and easy butter chicken. Time for me to go relax and sit by the ocean and enjoy this. I'll see you tomorrow.